天文台喺晚上7點40分改發3號強風信號。颱風韋柏已經減弱為強烈熱帶風暴。天文台表示，隨住韋柏進一步遠離香港並減弱，本地普遍風力亦都逐漸減弱，但多處地區仍然吹強風。預料3號強風信號會維持一段時間。當韋柏對本港嘅威脅進一步減低嘅時候，天文台會改發1號戒備信號，或者以強烈季候風信號取代熱帶氣旋警告信號。
The observatory issued the strong wind signal number 3 at 7:40 p.m. as Typhoon Whipper made landfall in Taishan in Guangdong and moves further away from Hong Kong. Local winds have weakened gradually, but the observatory says the city will see heavy rain in the coming days due to Whipper's intense rain bands. Li Fengying is an acting senior scientific officer at the observatory.
The intense wind band associated with Whipper was still bringing heavy squally showers to the vicinity of Pearl River Estuary tonight and tomorrow. Seas will be high at first and with swell. Members of the public should continue to be on high alert, stay away from the shorelines and not to engage in water sports. For the weather for tonight and tomorrow, there will be gale to storm force east to southeasterly winds. Seas will be high with swells. Winds will weaken gradually. It will be cloudy with squally showers and thunderstorms. Showers will be heavy at times.